In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Google Calendar for better time management. We'll focus on creating an appointment schedule, which is a powerful way to organize your time, avoid overbooking, and make it easy for others to book time with you in a controlled way. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clear structure for your days and weeks using just a few key options in Google Calendar. First, open your browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log into the Google account you want to use for your schedule. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use multiple profiles for work and personal life, because the schedule you create will be tied to this specific calendar. Once your calendar loads, look toward the top left corner of the screen for the Create button. This is where you normally add events or reminders. Click on Create. A small menu will appear with several options like event, task, and so on. From that menu, click on Appointment Schedule. This is different from a normal event. An appointment schedule lets you set up blocks of time when people can book appointments with you without you having to manually schedule each meeting. It's great for office hours, coaching sessions, consultations, or even blocking time for things like study sessions with classmates. After choosing appointment schedule, a setup panel will open, usually on the right side of your screen. The first thing you'll do here is add a title. Click into the title field and type a clear descriptive name. For example, you might write weekly office hours, client consultations, or study sessions. Use a name that makes sense both to you and to anyone who will be booking time so they instantly understand what this time is for. Next, you'll select the duration of each appointment. This tells Google Calendar how long each individual slot should be. Common options might be 15, 30, or 60 minutes, but you can adjust it to whatever fits your workflow. Shorter slots can work well for quick check-ins or brief meetings, while longer durations are better for deep work sessions or detailed discussions. Think about how much time you usually need so you don't feel rushed or constantly behind. Now move to the section labeled General Availability. This is where you set when you are actually available for these appointments. Instead of manually creating events every time, you're going to define a recurring pattern that repeats week after week. You'll see options to set a time range for each day from Monday to Sunday. For each day you want to offer appointments, add a time range. For example, you might set Monday through Thursday from 9 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. and leave Friday through Sunday with no availability at all. To do this, click on the day, choose a start time and an end time, and repeat for any other days you're open. You can fine-tune this however you like. Maybe you only want afternoons on certain days or only 1 or 2 days per week. The key idea is to create realistic, sustainable windows that reflect how you actually want to use your time. When you're finished setting your title duration and weekly time ranges, review everything to make sure it matches your goals. With this appointment schedule in place, Google Calendar will help protect your focus, reduce back and forth scheduling, and give you a simple structure for better time management.